Best survival foods to sustain energy in a long-term emergency. In a prolonged crisis, food must do more than just fill the stomach. It must provide steady energy, vital nutrients, and long storage life. The right choices ensure strength and focus when resources are scarce. Selecting the best survival foods to sustain energy in a long-term emergency is the foundation of preparedness. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, and quinoa are long-lasting staples that deliver slow energy and essential fiber. They form the base for countless meals. 2. Canned proteins, tuna, salmon, beans, and chicken provide vital protein and preserve well. They keep muscles strong and support recovery in demanding conditions. 3. Nut butters and seeds, peanut butter, almonds, chia, and flax seeds are calorie-dense and rich in healthy fats. A small portion can provide lasting fuel and mental clarity. 4. Dehydrated fruits and vegetables, dried apples, bananas, spinach, and carrots retain vitamins and rehydrate quickly. They add both nutrition and variety to limited meals. 5. Compact energy snacks, granola bars, jerky, and trail mix are portable and high in calories. They supply quick stamina when cooking is not possible. 6. Powdered dairy, milk powder, ghee, and long-lasting cheese offer protein, calcium, and fat. They strengthen bones and round out survival meals. 7. Honey. Honey is a natural energy booster with an endless shelf life. It also doubles as a natural remedy, making it highly valuable. Long-term emergencies demand foods that are nutrient-dense, shelf-stable, and energizing. By storing grains, proteins, healthy fats, preserved produce, and compact snacks, anyone can create a dependable reserve. Choosing the best survival foods to sustain energy in a long-term emergency ensures resilience, endurance, and peace of mind when it matters most. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.